We all have dreams, right? What happens to our dreams when we don't live them? We die inside. Not performing in your designated life path can shut down your total body. 22 veterans a day on average commit suicide. It has been a struggle to not become a part of that number. We let life, pain, and grief consume us. This is my third time attempting to complete culinary school. Strength starts in the mind. It is indeed a dream and a blessing that I am standing here before you today, because at one point I was unable to walk due to an injury I sustained in support of Operation Iraqi Freedom in Kuwait. I still have paralyzing crisis episodes and I'm in pain immensely every day. The doctors have no clue how I'm walking. You are a resistant organism, one orthopedic spine surgeon said. I've had 2 cervical spine surgeries and have to have a third. I showed up for myself just like you showed up for yourself, and we have arrived at the finish line. One thing that has remained constant on my journey to completing culinary school is that I never gave up. Life showed up and tried to beat me down, and that's what life does sometimes. Only the strong survives. We are all organisms adapting to our crazy environment, and we have to stay mentally strong. Your mind is a terrible thing to waste, and we have gained so much knowledge by taking the next steps to becoming chefs. I charge you with this: speak life into all that you do. If you stay mentally strong and mentally healthy, you can tackle any obstacle put in your way and defy odds unknown. Continue growing and learning and perfecting your craft. In a world where everyone wants to be a chef, but no one wants to learn, stand out.